In today's video, I have another quick recipe for you. This one is with a turkey breast. I love to buy these and put them in a crock pot. I'm going to cut a little bit of onion up and put it in the bottom of the crock pot, and then I'm going to put the turkey breast right on top of the onion. This one makes it real easy. It's already seasoned for me. I tried to use my smaller crock pot and it wasn't quite big enough. The lid wouldn't fit, so I'm using the bigger crock pot. It's nice to have all the different sizes. Now it has been sitting for about 3 hours and I just want to check it and see how it's doing. I'm going to pull it out of there. It looks like it is going to be done. Yes, it is definitely done. So I'm going to take this string off. I want to add butter back into the crock pot. You could do this also by adding the stovetop into the crock pot when you add the turkey, but I was home all day today, so I was able to do it this way. I'm going to put that in there. What I want to do is put the turkey back in on top of this. I'm going to add a little gravy to the top of it. The gravy packet comes with the turkey, so that's handy. That's another step we don't have to do. Sometimes it's fun to cook, but there's days when you just really need shortcuts, and that's what this meal is all about. I put it in the crock pot. I don't have to think about it or worry about it, and it is done. Everybody can eat, and I didn't do very much at all to make this happen. Turkey is not just for Thanksgiving. You can make it any time of year, and with how hot it has been lately here in July, it is very nice to be able to pull out the crock pot and have a nice warm meal like this. I want to thank you so much for joining me today, and if you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll consider subscribing and hit the like button.